Have you ever found yourself staring at your bank statement, wondering where all your money went? Or maybe you felt a pang of regret after making an impulsive purchase. It's not just numbers and bills we're dealing with here. It's our emotions, beliefs, and behaviors with money. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of money psychology, the often overlooked factor that influences every financial decision we make. Imagine for a moment you're walking through a dense forest. The path isn't clear, and the trees and shadows could be confusing. Now imagine having a map that guides you through this forest, avoiding pitfalls and helping you find a path that leads to beautiful clearings. That map, in the financial world, is understanding your money psychology. Let's start with a simple yet powerful idea. Every financial decision is tied to our emotions. Picture the last time you felt an urge to spend impulsively, maybe on the latest gadget or a night out. Often, these impulses aren't about the item itself, but about the feelings it might bring: happiness, status, or even an escape from stress. Recognizing this emotional drive is crucial because it allows us to pause and ask ourselves, is this an emotional purchase, or do I need this? Consider the stock market. It's a playground for emotions. You've likely heard the saying, buy low, sell high. Yet fear and greed often lead investors to do the opposite, buying high out of excitement or selling low when panic strikes. This is where the mental model of emotional resilience comes into play. It's about developing the strength to stick to your strategy, even when emotions are pulling you in another direction. The market is a great teacher in this regard, showing us that those who can manage their emotions tend to fare better over the long term. Now let's talk about mental accounting. It's a concept where we categorize our money into different pots mentally. For instance, we might treat a tax refund as free money and splurge it on a vacation, while feeling reluctant to touch our savings account pot for the same expense. Understanding this can help us make more rational decisions about spending and saving. It's like realizing that no matter how you juggle those pots, it's all part of the same pool of resources. Money itself is neutral. It's merely a tool. Yet our upbringing, experiences, and beliefs can color it with powerful emotions. Some of us might have grown up hearing phrases like money doesn't grow on trees, which can foster a scarcity mindset. Others might have seen wealth as a symbol of success. Reflecting on these early influences can reveal a lot about our current financial habits. It's like looking at the roots of a tree to understand its branches. Creating a healthy financial life is akin to gardening. It requires regular care, a good understanding of what each plant needs, and patience to let things grow over time. It's important to recognize when fear is holding us back from investing or when greed is pushing us to risk too much. Acknowledging these feelings doesn't mean acting on them immediately. Rather, it means understanding they're part of the process. I remember a time when I was hesitant to invest more money into the market, fearful of a downturn. It was like standing on the edge of a pool, scared to dive in because of the unknown depth. But then I thought about the long-term game, the historical trends that showed growth despite the dips. So I took the plunge, knowing it was about consistent action over time, not instant gratification. This brings us to a crucial point about long-term wealth. It's not about chasing quick wins, but about staying the course. It's like planting an apple tree and nurturing it, knowing it will take years before you enjoy its fruits. But once it bears fruit, it keeps giving, season after season. As you think about your relationship with money, remember that it's deeply personal, shaped by your unique experiences and emotions. The key lies in becoming aware of these influences and taking conscious steps to align your financial behavior with your long-term goals. So next time you face a money decision, pause and reflect on what's driving it. Is it a desire to fill an emotional void? Is it based on an old belief that might not serve you anymore? By understanding these underlying factors, you begin to take control, turning your financial path into one of growth and fulfillment. In closing, the psychology of money is not just about managing resources, it's about understanding ourselves. The journey isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about shaping a life that reflects our true values and goals. Reflect on this. How can your financial decisions today create the life you envision for tomorrow? Remember, money is a tool to build the future you dream of. Keep your eyes on that long-term horizon and let your understanding guide you through the financial forest.